So paperless billing. So in previous lecture we have studied about paper and office and going for paperless. So कैसे हम लोगों ने पे विद पे मतलब अगर हम पेपर के थ्रू अगर वर्क करते हैं और विदाउट पेपर थ्रू ईमेल एंड इफ वी सेव आवर डेटा थ्रू मींस क्लाउड देन हाउ विल बी कंज्यूम आवर टाइम मतलब हम लोगों ने स्टडी किया था इन प्रीवियस लेक्चर में बहुत. सो नाउ पेपरलेस बिलिंग हियर. So many companies are now offering paperless billing as an option for their customers, right? Okay, so paperless. So here we're going to see there all the practices and efforts taken by the organization in paper. So paperless billing. So in previous lecture we have studied about paper and office and going for paperless. So कैसे हम लोगों ने पे पे मतलब अगर हम पेपर के थ्रू अगर वर्क करते हैं और विदाउट पेपर थ्रू ईमेल एंड इफ वी सेव आवर डेटा थ्रू मींस क्लाउड देन हाउ विल बी कंज्यूम आवर टाइम मतलब हम लोगों ने स्टडी किया था इन प्रीवियस लेक्चर में बहुत. सो नाउ पेपरलेस बिलिंग हियर. So many companies are now offering paperless billing as an option for their customers, right? Thing which customer must do is just log on the website provided by company where they can pay their bill each month rather than printing and mailing the monthly statement. So many companies are now offering paperless billing as an option for their customer. Think which customer must do just log on the website, just log on the website provided by the company, okay, and where they can pay their bill each month. Just log the website and pay the bill each month rather than printing, okay, and mailing the monthly statement to the customer. Okay, companies simply send reminder email to customers who can then pay their bill online using the website. So company क्या करती है, reminder send करती है through email customer को कि to pay their bills. Okay, so complete paperless billing might not be feasible solution for organization. So document process automation form inquire 150 North America billing and invoicing managers, okay, about their companies billing practices. According to the study, 28% of customers refuse to accept any invoice that doesn't come via regular postal service. Paperless billing not only save money and paper but also save the time. So why we are using paperless money? Because it save money also, and because we don't want to print, we don't use printer, because if we don't want to printing any paper, so we don't require the printer, right? So because of this, printer का खर्चा बचता है, right? Then papers also we don't want to take papers, so we हमारा means it will be, so that's why we are saying that paperless billing not only save money and paper but also save the time. Okay, the study showed that many companies have adopted paperless billing to save the time and not money or trees. मतलब time भी save कर रही है and money and tree also. Okay, so many companies going for the paperless billing. But adopting the paperless billing, many organizations save lot of time in the task of billing, right? Because they don't have to take any extra effort to physically mail and the bill, right? Same study reveals the approximate 1.6 hour, 106 hours per month are spent by three employees to generate and mail the bills. Time it takes the generated the invoice in only 50% of total time. So remaining time is spent on printing envelopes, stuffing, addressing, and mailing the bills. Okay, so study the strategy and research show that if bills are paid online by every USA household, then 60.5 million trees per year will be spared. Paper based billing involves not only paper but many things like tracks, plans and transport them all over the world. So पेपरलेस बिलिंग से अगर हम लोग इफ वी गो फॉर द पेपरलेस बिलिंग सो यहाँ पे ट्रांसपोर्टिंग का खर्चा बचता है देन और इफ वी डू द मेल एंड इफ वी right website through the website if we will do our work then it will be good क्योंकि ट्रांसपोर्टिंग का खर्चा बचता है then we will enveloping करने का then to same particular address के लिए हम लोग को envelop करना होता है उसको right टाइम भी स्पेशल टाइम बचता है ऑन ट्री और वी आर स्टडिंग ग्रीन कंप्यूटिंग सो ट्री भी मतलब इफ वी गो फॉर पेपरलेस बिलिंग देन ट्री कट करने की नीड नहीं होती बिकॉज व्हाई वी आर कटिंग द ट्री एंड व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग ट्री बिकॉज ऑफ पेपर टू पेपर बनाने के लिए हम लोग ट्री यूज करते हैं सो अगर पेपरलेस से जाएंगे तो वी डोंट इफ वी डोंट रिक्वायर पेपर देन नो नीड टू कट ट्री राइट सो इन्वायरमेंट भी फ्रेंडली मतलब इन्वायरमेंट भी हार्म नहीं करेंगे राइट so this is about if we go paperless billing then it's benefit we will take the benefit for ourselves and environment also right so here pds so handled was the clipboard and small board and okay so purpose के लिए हम we can use this future personal or business use so pda एक assistant device करने की नीड नहीं होती बिकॉज वाई वी आर कटिंग द ट्री एंड वाई वी आर यूजिंग ट्री बिकॉज ऑफ पेपर टू पेपर बनाने के लिए हम लोग ट्री यूज करते हैं सो अगर पेपरलेस से जाएंगे तो वी डोंट इफ वी डोंट रिक्वायर पेपर देन नो नीड टू कट ट्री राइट सो इन्वायरमेंट भी फ्रेंडली मतलब इन्वायरमेंट भी हार्म नहीं करेंगे राइट so this is about if we go paperless billing then it's benefit we will take the benefit for ourselves and environment also right so here pds so handled was the clipboard and small board and okay okay now pds pdas okay pda stand for personal digital assistance pda stands for personal digital assistance okay so pda so it is a small matlab pda stand for personal digital assistant it is a small mobile a small okay then mobile and handled device so pd is nothing but is a like mobile and handled जो हम device handle कर सकते हैं okay device that provide future like computing okay so pda is a stand for personal digital assistant it is a small then you can say the mobile and handle device that provides features like computing जो हमें features provide करता है जैसे कि computing fax telephone internet and networking one can use this feature for personal or business use so pda एक assistant device है personal digital assistant है ये एक small type है like mobile you can say handle it ये एक हैंडलेट डिवाइस है जो कि प्रोवाइड करता है फ्यूचर जैसे कि कंप्यूटिंग के फ्यूचर्स होते हैं जैसे कि फैक्स कर सकते हैं टेलीफोन इंटरनेट एंड नेटवर्किंग सो वन कैन यूज दिस फ्यूचर फॉर पर्सनल और बिजनेस मतलब दोनों पर्सनल के पर्पस के लिए हम वी कैन यूज दिस फ्यूचर्स सो मेनी पीडीए हैव टच स्क्रीन that allow one to enter information using small plastic pen called okay some pds have small keyboard in additional to use touch screen okay then they also have memory card so pds makes touch screen and it also have the memory card slots for data storage additionally they have an infra port and wireless connectivity in the form of bluetooth or wi-fi typically microsoft window mobile for pocket pcs specifically designed for PDS is used as an operating system on PDA. PDA are used in all kind of field. For example, PDA कहाँ का use होता है? Let's see. Okay, medical student can use PDA. Okay, medical student can use PDA for educational purpose and patient care. When delivering the package, delivery person can take signature for the package on this his PDA Checklists are put onto PDA now. So doctors simply check off symptom and wait the reduced result to appear on PDA screen. So PDA में कैसे it is a type of device जैसे कि you don't know the IoT. IoT is nothing but Internet of Things जहाँ पे इस type के of devices हम use करते हैं. Okay. So it will be in आप third year में you having the subject IoT. Okay. Maybe in third year में आप IoT subject देखोगे if syllabus will not change. सो उसमें एक IoT सब्जेक्ट में जैसे कि इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग होता है. ओके. सो उसमें हम लोगों को हर एक डिवाइस के थ्रू वी कैन कम्युनिकेट. Means not communicate, we can communicate to our home appliances also. Means if you want to say that अगर हम लोगों को कहना है कि if suppose हम लोग wake up early morning में अगर हम उठते और we want coffee, suppose we are like this person is bad tea. मतलब हम लोग कॉफी चाहिए. ओके. सो वो कॉफी हमें जैसे कि हम 7 o'clock को उठते तो 7 o'clock को कॉफी हमारे सामने आया के रेडी होगी. ओके. वो कॉफी मेकर हमारे सामने नो नो मीन्स ह्यूमन विल नॉट डू दिस. ओनली मशीन विल डू. मीन्स वो पर्टिकुलरली वो एक हमारा अलार्म होगा जो 7 o'clock को फिट हम लोग करेंगे और वो पर्टिकुलर कॉफी मेकर में डिवाइस होगा. सेंसर होगा जो कॉफी मेकर में सेंस मतलब कॉफी मेकर को सेंस होगा कि या 7 o'clock हो गए. विथ थ्रू अलार्म वो कॉफी मेकर मेक दिस कॉफी एंड वो कॉफी लेके हम लोगों के पास आ जाएंगे एट 7 जो भी आप टाइम सेट करोगे. और वो उसी टाइम पे अगर आपको कर्टन ओपन करना हो तो पर्टिकुलर वो कर्टन भी उस टाइम पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे ओपन हो जाएंगे थ्रू मतलब ये सब कैसे पॉसिबल होगा क्योंकि हम लोग सेंसर फिट करेंगे. एक कर्टन के ऊपर एक डिवाइस लगाएंगे उसमें सेंसर फिट करेंगे और टाइम फिक्स करेंगे. वो पर्टिकुलर टाइम में वो ओपन होगा कॉफी हमारे पास आएगी. गीजर ऑन हो जाएगा मतलब वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट यू कैन मीन्स आप वो कर सकते हो. सो पीडीए भी एक टाइप का डिजिटल डिवाइस असिस्टेंट है जैसे कि जो क्या करता है मतलब जो यूजफुल होता है मेडिकल सेक्टर में. डॉक्टर मीन सपोज पीडीए में पेशेंट ने अगर पीडीए स्क्रीन में अपनी स्क्रीन टच की. ओके. अपनी फिंगर टच की तो उसको क्या सिम्टम्स है मतलब उसको क्या डिसीज है उसके सारे सिम्टम्स वो उस पीडीए के स्क्रीन में शो होगा और डॉक्टर विल बी अंडरस्टैंड कि हाँ इस पर्टिकुलर पेशेंट को ये डिसीज है वो like this. Okay. So this is a personal digital assistance. Okay. So let's move the tablet PCS. Okay. Tablet PCS. So just me sorry. Tablet PCS. Okay. So here, tablet PC is a portable PC. Okay, tablet is a portable PC that is a hybrid between लैपटॉप एंड पर्सनल डिजिटल असिस्टेंट. सो प्राइवेट ये एक हाइब्रिड है मतलब ये कॉम्बिनेशन है किसका लैपटॉप का और पर्सनल पीसीडी का सॉरी पीडीए का. So tablet is nothing but it is a hybrid between laptop and personal digital assistant. Means it is a combination of laptop you know very well and now I explain now about PDA, right? So this is a combination. It is equipped with touch screen interface. It has software application used to run virtual keyboards. Many tablet PCs also support external keyboard. They are like laptops in size, somewhat smaller, and user can interact with them by entering data either using touch sensitive screen or using the internal keyboard. Microsoft Windows XP or Vista is a operating system installed on tablet PCs. मतलब टैबलेट में Microsoft और Vista ये OS हमने इंस्टॉल करते हैं on tablet. Linux can also be installed on tablet. This tablet PC, okay. In the same way as Linux installed on the desktop computer, they have features like built-in web browsing capacity touch screen, multiple connectivity option, and multimedia. So tablet is nothing but it is a combination, is a hybrid between PD and desktop, your PC. So it's having the like operating system like Vista, XP, and Linux also, which can use on the tablet PCs. They also include SD high definition support. Using the accelerometers of the tablet PC, user can view display screen portrait or landscape mode. So unified communication. This is about the tablet. Then Unify communication. Okay, unify communication here. Communication. So in this, in uni, so this is only unified communication. We have you have to write this. Just 1 minute. Unified communication is a business means UC. Okay, unified communication, that is a UC, is a business and marketing concept. So this is a business and marketing concept describing the integration of the enterprise communication service. So it is a business and marketing concept, unified communication. So which is describing the integration of enterprise communication service such as instant messaging, chat, which is described the like chat, instant messaging, then personal information, then voice, including then mobility features, then including extension mobility and design, audio, web and video. So it is nothing but it is a business and marketing. This is about the business and marketing concept. Why we are saying like this, I'm sorry, I'm telling you like this because it describes the integration enterprise communication service such as instant messaging. Means agar we are using the for business purpose या marketing purpose. So we have to suppose we have to focus on, suppose हमने वेबसाइट बनाई है और हम लोगों ने उनको मेल की अपनी आईडी दी है और हमारी वेबसाइट किसी मार्केटिंग, सपोज हमारे क्लोथ की शॉप है उसकी हमने वेबसाइट बनाई है और पर्टिकुलर कस्टमर हमारी वेबसाइट में विजिट होता है. सो इफ दे लाइक आवर क्लोथ, सपोज वट एवर वी हैव पुट इट इन आवर वेबसाइट, सो वो पर्टिकुलर मेल थ्रू या कांटेक्ट करेंगे हमसे. सो जो हम लोग हैं, हम मतलब शॉपकीपर को इंस्टेंट रिप्लाई देना होगा उस पर्टिकुलर कस्टमर को, तभी वो कस्टमर से हम कांटेक्ट ले पाएंगे. अदरवाइज अगर हम लोगों ने उसका आज का मैसेज हमने कल देखा, देन मे बी ही विल गो in another shop, yeah, another website. So if he reply in instance, then he will be contact us, he will be communicate us, and if he want something from our shop, yeah, or if he like some clothes in our through our website, then he will take. So here, that's why he are saying unified communication. It is a this is a funda of marketing and business. Okay. So this is about unified communication, जहाँ पे हमें इंस्टेंट मेलिंग का रिप्लाई देना होता है, चैटिंग का रिप्लाई देना होता है. ओके. So this is about the unified, unified then phone. Here next point is the phone. Let's see what is there here. So Microsoft has used telephone as a part of its unified communication. अभी मैंने आपको unified communication का meaning समझाया. Okay. Only few people who actually know how to transfer a call from their telephone. Microsoft moved ahead and said that it is not the problem in the phone, instead it a mental block with the user. Following products are included in its uniform communication push: Microsoft Office Communicator, Microsoft Office Live Meeting, Microsoft Office Communication Server, a service pack, update a Microsoft Exchange server, roundtable on Ethernet connected. So this is about a phone which using unified communication only. Internet, you know the meaning of internet now. Internet, internet. Unified communication aims at traditional business provide branch. So ये सब कुछ unified communication में क्यों आएगा? Because देखो अभी particular हमने website बनाई. Okay. So let me just tell you about this internet. Private branch exchange is a traditional telephone system with the enterprise that allow call switching between enterprise users on local lines while allowing all users to share some number of external phone lines. So here, unified communication treat voice like email, Outlook can be configured so that it show the phone number of employees and at which one employee can do contact. When all comes to the employee can decide whether to take the call or route it voicemail. So इंटरनेट मतलब यूनिफाइड कम्युनिकेशन में अगर हमारी एक वेबसाइट है शॉप की या पेंट्स की, जिसकी भी वेबसाइट, अगर हम लोगों ने उसमें कांटेक्ट अस लिखा तो एंड पर्टिकुलर कस्टमर विल कांटेक्ट us for particular product, then through the internet only it will possible, right? Without, if you make website and without internet, how will we run this website? So we require the phone, internet, all this, right? So an internet is a private internet operating within organization. So internet is an not is a like internet with difference that user of an internet can access the internet, but global internet here Internet is a private internet operating within an organization. Internet is a lot like internet with the different that user of an internet can access the internet, but global internet user cannot get access of an internet unless given by company. So that is the file stored on the internet can be accessed by anyone, but files on private internet can be accessed only by employees of the company. Internet can be used to reduce the amount of paper used in a company. Instead of keeping printed copy of any document on each employee as desk, it is should be kept on internet. This way, the document is available to all employees and amount of the printed copies are also reduced. Employee can access those documents from their computers also. If any changes are made in a document, it will be done at one place, that is on internet, and change will be available of to every employee. So internet include this section explain about what all information can be put on internet. Some of content that might be considered to be put on internet are given as follow, like frequently used document, templates, and so here we have some of the concepts are there which we have to means put on internet are given as follow, like frequently, okay, frequently use documents, document, then templates, okay, Mama was okay, sorry. So here okay, so here this section means this section explain about what all information can be put on internet. Some of the content that might be considered to the put internet are given as follow, like frequently used documents, templates, and proposal that can help to the prepared project. Then frequently asked question about the organization, right? So here that is the frequently asked, frequently, so here frequently asked question, okay, that is FAQ about the organization. Then then company calendar which provide information about upcoming events. So internet क्या क्या include कर सकता है अगर कुछ ऐसा particular, this section explain about what information can put on internet, some of the content of my consider. So here we have to frequently put the documents, template, and proposal that can help to prepare a project. Then frequently ask the question about the organization. Then bullet board where employees of company can share messages, then block of CO we have to mention, then company calendar which provide information about upcoming events. So जो upcoming events की information भी should be there in calendar, staff like dictionary, and including the personal skills. So this about should be there. There is a no limit on what can be put on internet. The above points means which we have mentioned here, like staff dictionary, then including the personal screen, then company calendar which provide the information about upcoming events, then frequently asked question about the organization, then frequently used document, template, and proposal that can help to prepare a project. There is no limit on what can be put on the internet. The above point just give an idea of where to start some important data issue one need to consider before putting them on the internet. One also needed to think about the following, then like security. Okay, so we have to think about like security also. Okay, security. So here, if sensitive documents are to publish on the internet, one need to establish password protected areas of the site and also decide who all will message access to that site. So security कैसे होगी यहाँ पे sensitive documents होगा तो यहाँ पे we have to mention password and password also and कौन वो साइट एक्सेस कर सकता है भी वो भी हम लोगों को डिसाइड करना होगा. Okay, then usability. Okay, usability. सो यहाँ पे क्या होगा. सो ये कुछ पॉइंट्स है जो हम लोगों को देखना है. ओके, मतलब सो in usability, design the site in such a way that it will be easy to manage and navigate through that site. मतलब easily manage होना चाहिए और हर एक चीज जगह navigate होना चाहिए through that site. Then publishing right. Decide who will be allowed to publish onto the internet and how much that information will be reliable. So this is the publishing rights. Okay, so here decide who will be allowed to publish onto the internet and how much that information will be reliable. Then ownership. Okay, so it is a recommended that one decide personal internet coordinator should be assigned to manage the information on the internet. This person will be responsible for information on the internet and also anything which is to be posted on the internet should be approved by the coordinator. So ownership. Okay, then here in ownership that it is a recommended that one decided dedicated person internet coordinator should be assigned or manage information on the internet. This person will be responsible मतलब उसने क्या publish किया है और अगर वो कुछ गलत हुआ and suppose it will be not good. मीन्स अगर कुछ क्लेम होगा सपोज या कॉपी होगा किसी अदर कंपनी का देन वो सब कुछ रिस्पॉन्सिबल होगा वो पर्टिकुलर पर्सन. ओके, देन बैकअप प्लान. So backup plan में क्या होगा. Backup plan should be in the place of that system can be restored if system gets hit by virus or somehow gets damaged or lost. So backup plan should be in the place so that system can be restored. Okay, बैकअप होना चाहिए अगर सिस्टम का कुछ इशू हो तो देन वी कैन इफ वी आर हैविंग द बैकअप प्लान देन वी कैन बी use this plan. Okay, if something hackers if hack our particular system otherwise some hit by viruses get hit by viruses or somehow gets the damage or lost, right? Then building an internet. So building an internet is a composed of the specific hardware as well as certain software. This section explain about what all the things are needed to build internet. So explain various components needed by building internet. The following four components are there need to be building an internet like local area network. So building an internet के लिए हमें building an internet. Okay, building an internet. ओके, सो यहाँ पे बिल्डिंग एंड इंटरनेट में क्या है. इंटरनेट इज अ कंपोज ऑफ द स्पेसिफिक हार्डवेयर एज वेल एज सर्टेन सॉफ्टवेयर. दिस सेक्शन एक्सप्लेन अबाउट व्हाट विल द थिंग्स आर नीडेड टू बिल्ड इंटरनेट. सो हमें कुछ पार्ट्स लगेंगे. फॉलोइंग फोर कंपोनेंट्स आर नीडेड फॉर बिल्डिंग अ इंटरनेट लाइक LAN. We require the LAN, that is local area network. Okay, local area network. So this is the first point which we require for internet. So LAN is a computer network that connected computer within the limited area. Why we said local area network? Because it will be connected within a limited area like office building, school, university, campus and so on. Exchange information and share the resource among all computers connected via LAN. To access the internet, client need LAN connectivity. ओके, लैन ये पर्टिकुलर एरिया में स्पेसिफिक एरिया में इंटरनेट हम कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. दैट इज अ लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क. देन वेब सर्वर. Okay. So LAN क्या है? LAN is a computer network that contains computer within a limit area like office building, school, university, campus, and so on. To exchange information and share resource among all computers connected via LAN. So ये जैसे कि स्कूल ऑफिस और कैंपस में इंफॉर्मेशन हम एक्सचेंज कर सकते हैं थ्रू द लैन, क्योंकि हम लैन के थ्रू वी आर यूजिंग द इंटरनेट, दैट इज लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क, एंड इन स्मॉल एरिया में हम लैन के थ्रू द इंफॉर्मेशन एक्सचेंज कर सकते हैं, राइट? Then web server. Internet can be considered as an internet website. Okay. To run the website, web server is needed. अगर website हमें run करनी, you know the meaning of website. What is a website? Okay, don't need to say the meaning of website and all. So internet can be considered as an internal website. To run the website, web server is needed. So to have internet, web server is needed. Two most popular web server are like Apache and Microsoft Internet. So वेबसाइट रन करने के लिए हमें वेब सर्वर की जरूरत होती है, और मोस्ट पॉपुलर वेब सर्वर है Apache and Microsoft. Okay. So in internet, then information server IIS. Okay, Apache is a free to download from its website. कोई website बनानी हो तो Apache, it is a free to download from its website. It is the very popular and run on both Windows and Unix and Linux. Internet information server comes with the Windows XP or Vista, and it runs only on Windows machine. One can outsource web hosting. This option is less costly and it is easier than web browser. Web browser, right? Web browser is a software application that is used to locate it and retrieve and display web pages, images, and other files. To read content of internet, web browsers such as Internet Explorer or Firefox. Okay, web browser like Internet Explorer and Firefox is needed on client machine. At least one of these browser is already installed on desktop machine and laptop. So कोई एक browser, web browser, you know very well the Firefox. Then we have seen the very, you dealing with any web browser. Okay, why we are using web browser, for searching particular person, particular point, for searching purpose we are using this, right? So in desktop and laptop, at least one web browser should be downloaded. Then last is a factor is web page development software. So page development software web page development 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 software. Okay, development software. Okay, so here, mm, just 1 minute. Okay, so this software is needed to create and manage files on the internet. One can use HTML for designing, or better way is to use application frameworks such as Microsoft SharePoint or other appropriate tool for requirements. Okay, so this is about the building on internet having four factors like local area network, web server, web browser, and web page development software. So this is a building on internet. It is a composed of specific hardware as well as certain software. This section explain about, we have seen that what things are needed to build internet. Okay, so this is about, we have seen today that paperless billing. Then PDS, what is the PDS means what? Then tablet. This is a hybrid of between laptop and PDA, right? Then uniform communication and this building on internet. So today's lecture is over here. Thank you.